Gel forms or paper forms? Which one is right for you? In this video, I'll break down how each form works, when to use them, and common mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. Hi, my name is Violet. I'm a nail technician specialized in natural extensions, Russian manicure, and nail care with 9 years of experience. Nail artistry has evolved significantly over the years, with innovative tools and techniques making it easier than ever to create stunning, long-lasting nail extensions. Among these tools, dual forms have emerged as a game changer, particularly for those working with gel and polygel. Dual forms are pre-shaped molds designed to assist in the creation of nail extensions. They are called dual because they serve as a dual purpose, acting both a form and a surface. When placed under the natural nail, they extend beyond the free edge, providing a guide for building the desired length and shape. Unlike traditional nail forms, which only act as a base for sculpting, dual forms also create a smooth underside for the nail, reducing the need for extensive filing and finishing. They are available in a variety of shapes such as stiletto, coffin, almond, square, and sizes to accommodate different nail bed. For beginners, they offer a more straightforward alternative to traditional nail forms, which require a higher level of skill and precision. Additionally, they are compatible with both gel and polygel, making them a versatile tool for nail technicians. Their reusable nature also makes them cost-effective, as they can be cleaned and used multiple times. Dual forms are typically made from durable, flexible plastic, though some higher-end versions are crafted from silicone. Plastic dual forms are lightweight, easy to trim, and reusable, while silicone forms are a softer, more adaptable fit. The choice of material often depends on personal preference and the specific needs of a client. Please leave a comment if you would like a step-by-step video on how to use a dual form. Anyway, using dual forms is a straightforward process, but it requires attention to detail to achieve the best result. Begin by prepping the natural nail. Apply a primer if necessary. Choose a form that matches the width and shape of the client's natural nail. If the form is too wide, trim the sides for a perfect fit. Scoop a small amount of gel into the form and spread it evenly inside. Cure the product under the LED lamp. Once the product is set, gently peel off the gel form. The underside of the nail extension should already be smooth and ready. File and shape the nail as needed, then apply a top coat for shine and durability. Now, let's talk about paper forms. Paper forms stand out as a classic and essential option for creating custom nail shapes and lengths. Unlike dual forms, which provide a pre-shaped mold, paper forms offer unparalleled flexibility and precision, making them a favorite among experienced nail technicians. But what exactly are paper forms, and why are they so widely used, and how do they work? Paper forms, also known as nail forms or nail extension forms, they are thin, disposable templates made from paper or plastic. They are used to create a base for sculpting nail extensions directly onto the natural nails. Unlike dual forms, which act as both a mold and a surface, paper forms serve solely as a guide to build the nail extension. They are placed under the free edge of the natural nail and folded or adjusted to create the desired shape and length. Paper forms are highly customizable, allowing technicians to tailor them to unique contours of each client's nail bed. Their primary advantage lies in their flexibility. They can be adjusted to fit any nail shape or size, making them ideal for clients with irregular or challenging nail beds. Additionally, paper forms are disposable, ensuring hygiene and eliminating the need for cleaning and maintenance. Paper forms are typically made from thin, sturdy paper or plastic. The material is often coated with a non-stick surface to prevent adhesion of acrylic or gel products during application. Some paper forms come pre-cut with tabs or adhesive strips to make them easier to secure under the natural nail. The lightweight and flexible nature of the material allows for easy folding, trimming, and shaping to fit the client's nail perfectly. Let me know if you would like a full-on video on this kind of nail extensions. Using paper forms is an art itself, requiring skill, precision, and attention to detail. Here's a short step-by-step guide to mastering their use. Always start by prepping the natural nail, apply a primer if necessary, choose a paper form that matches the width of the client's nail bed, trim the sides if needed to achieve a perfect fit. Place the form on under the free edge of the natural nail. Fold and adjust the form to create the desired length and shape, ensuring it fits perfectly against the nail. Make sure the form is securely attached and provide a smooth, even surface for extension. The form should extend slightly beyond the free edge to act as a guide for sculpt. Apply the gel directly to the natural nail and form, using a brush to shape the extension. Once the product is set, gently peel off the paper form. File and shape the nail as needed, and then apply the top coat for shine and durability. Let me know in the comments which form is your favorite. And if you are ready to try this one, I challenge you to practice the dual forms this week and share your results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!